start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications, choose settings. Here you need to scroll down and choose general management. Afterwards choose reset right here. From the following list of options, let's choose factory data reset. Let's read the information about the process and tab reset right here. So if you are aware that the hard reset operation will delete all personal data, downloaded apps, customized settings, and you would like to accomplish that operation, let's choose delete all. And right now the device is performing the hard reset operation. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent. As you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.